Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create a Geegpay account in 2023. This is an update on how you can be able to verify your account, especially for those of you who have been having issues on creating a Geegpay account, or how you can be able to get your account verified, especially now that a lot of adjustment or update has been done on Geegpay accounts. So if you're joining for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification, and don't forget to share the video as well. Now, Geegpay recently gave an update on how their products or how they can be able to serve all of us better. And the information in which I have dropped here, you will see that they have a new dashboard in which you can be able to use for your account and all of that. Why all of this change? They say this year our goal is to help freelancers, remote workers, and independent contractors in Africa get better global financial services. So to be able to do all of these things, you need to know their customers better, not just to know them really well. And the important partnership that they have with global banks and all of that, they have been able to help their services to get better and all of that. So all they are just doing is to ensure that they know you beyond your face name, your date of birth, and all of that. So they just want to know more information about you, where you work, and all of that. And as you can see here, they say we now ask for employer details during the sign up or onboard stage. When you are trying to sign up, they'll ask you what's your employer name and all of that. And your employer can be your freelancer market, where you work a freelancer. It can be where you work at Upwork and other popular hour workers, where you can be able to do a lot of work online and then you get paid using the Geegpay account. So they can allow you to get your account verified using your BVN and ensuring that your account is verified with your phone number and using your international passport, national ID card, or any other information. And their dashboard has been renewed and they have been able to make a lot of things more easier. This is my account in which I've been able to verify by putting all the information that are required. Mind you, if you have created an account before and you are finding it difficult to log in right now because of the information that you will be receiving, because right now the information you'll be seeing on your dashboard will look like this, where you will see you logging in and you will see that you will have to put in your personal profile in which you must have completed. You see the information asking you to put in your employer detail, and then for you to verify your identity and your bank details. All of these things are all that is required. I'll be showing you how you can be able to get past all of these things in order for your account to be fully verified. So stick to the very end so that you don't miss any single part. So I'm going to be showing you all of these things, how you can be able to bypass all of these things and then get your account verified and start making use of it. So if you have an old account, ensure you approve all of these things. And if you know how you can be able to bypass this your employment details, I will show you what to do in order for you to do that. Stick to the end, as I'm going to create a new account in which you can be able to use in order for you to get started with it. Now this is geegpay.africa. All I have to do is to click on create an account. Use the link in the description in which I'll be leaving for you there for you to get to this area. So once you click the link, it will bring you to this very area where you have to create your account. And this is what you need to do once you want to start creating your account. Now, you'll be asked, how will you like to use this Geegpay? Do you want to use it as a freelancer or you want to use it as a company account? So all I will tell you is to use as a freelancer, use it for your personal use. And this is what I will recommend for you or for anyone out there. So all you just need to do is to put this information. Now you select your country. Geegpay has been able to make it possible for people in Kenya or our brothers and sisters in Kenya in order for them to sign up using this Geegpay account and all of that. So I'm in Nigeria, you always select Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in Kenya, you are as well click on it. So once you click on this aspect, the next thing is for you to click on continue. And once you click on continue, normal route in which you need to do is to put in your email address. And once you put in your email address, it will verify your account and all of that. So let me just put in my email address right now. So once you have been able to put in your email address and click on continue, it will bring you to this page where you see an email have been sent to you. So all you just need to do is to put in the code that have been sent to you in your email account in order for your account to be verified, and then click on continue. So let me just do that right now. 06. Okay. So as you can see here, it has been processed successfully. So all I have to do again right now is to put in a password in which I'll be able to use for this account, and I'll also click on continue. All these are things that you can do on your own, create it on your own, and then bypass all of this information. So let me just put in the password. So once you have been able to put in your password and your account has been verified, you will receive an information telling you that your account has been created successfully. So the next thing you need to do is to put in your personal information, where you have to put in either your international passport, national ID card, and then you come to this area here and put in your employment detail. This is where a lot of you get hooked up and you don't know what to do. This is what you will do. I will show you what you will do right now. So it is coming here in your personal information. Let me just click on that. I have to put in my first name, my last name, my date of birth, and my nationality, and then I'll now enter my phone number. So that's right now. But before then, let me just show you what to do here. In this place, telling you that you should put in your residential at your time zone. The time zone of Nigeria is GMT +1. So all you just need to do is to go look for GMT +1. GMT +1, as you can see here, this is Nigerian time zone, GMT +1. Just put GMT +1 and your account will be verified. So make sure that you put in your phone number and verify it. This is very, very important. All these ones with asterisk here shows that they are all important. So I'll do that right now. So guys, at the point where you put in your phone number, all you just need to do is to click on verify your phone number, and a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number in order for you to verify it. All you just need to do is to put on it. So I'll do that right now. So let me just do that to confirm I'll verify. So once you do that, you see that the phone number is fully verified. Remember, your time zone, always put it at GMT +1. Now, regarding the residential address, this is where a lot of you also hook up and you don't know what to do. I will always advise that you use the number or your address in your international passport or your national ID card, or the one in your bank statement, the one you have in your bank statement, because you upload it in order for you to verify your account so that it will correspond with your account. So all I have to do right now is to put in all of these things: put in my country, put in my state, put in my city, and then my postal code. So guys, once you have been able to put in your country, your state, your city, and your postal code, if you don't know your state postal code or where you are staying, the postal code, please ensure you go to Google and type it. Your postal code will be verified, and the next thing you need to do is to upload where you are staying. All you just need to do is upload your proof of address. This is where you have to go and use your bank statement in order for you to verify this particular aspect. It's very, very important. So whatever address you will be putting here, ensure that you put it in this particular area here where you upload your information. So your bank statement contains information about your proof of address and all of that. So just do that. Let me just do that immediately and then click on save as well. As you can see right now, my account has been moved. As you can see, I'm waiting for review. So this my personal information or profile is awaiting review, and once I'm done with that, the next thing I have to do is to put in my employer detail. This is where a lot of you hook and you don't know what to do. Right now, once you click on employer detail, you will see that you will require that you put in your employer name, you put in your country, then you put in your employer website. And not just put in your employer website, you also need to put in your occupation, your monthly salary, and your offer letter or your proof of employer or your proof of employment. That is, you have to put in your proof of employment or letter showing that you are working in that particular company and all of that. Now you also be required to put in your LinkedIn profile link, in which you can use or they can use to verify your account. All of these things are all easy for you to do. Now concerning your employment letter, you can go to Canva. This is a secret a lot of people don't know. You can go to Canva, look for a good employment letter there. Now edit it and then go here and upload it. Edit it, put your name on it, and then upload the information in this particular area. Just try it, your account will be verified. And then in that your employment letter in which you'll be submitting, at the top heading you will see where you put your employee name, the same name that you see in that particular area on your Canva where you will download it to upload it. You also put it in this particular aspect. I don't know whether I'm clear. All I'm saying is go to Canva, search for employment letter to create. Now when you go to the employment letter to create it, all you just need to do is to edit it, put in your name, then you download it, then upload it here, take note of the employee name, and then put it in this particular aspect. Okay, I will show you that right now. Now this is my Canva. All I have to do is to come to this page here, type on employment letter. This is what I didn't plan to show you guys this, but I have to do that in order for you guys to be able to know how to do all of these things. Once you click on employment and click on search, it will bring you to this page where you see different employment letters and all of that. All you just need to do is to pick one. Well, I didn't plan to show you guys this, but I will show you so that all of you can be able to get your account verified and get started. Okay, let me just use this for instance and show you guys all you need to do. Okay, it's loading up. Let it load. Now it has loaded up. All I have to do is to edit it in order for me to have my employment letter. So all I have to do is to create and edit right now. So first here, you come here, you edit your name and you do whatever editing you want to do right here. Edit your name, and then at the top here you see the employer name. This is Mohammed Patti, as you can see here, Mohammed Patti, which is the employer name. Take the note and then you put it on that particular information in your Geegpay account, and then you come here, you put in your name, and then you download. That's all. There's no other thing. Just download it in your PDF format. So as you can see here, I have just edited it. My name is here Franklin Elegoye, and all I have to just do is to download it. I'll come to this area here. Remember, the name of the employer name here, as you can see here, is Mohammed Patti, the MD. So I'll click on download, and then I will now download it on a PDF standard. As you can see, this standard I suggested to you, just download it on it. So guys, once you have been able to edit this particular date in which you were employed and we will send your employment letter, don't forget that your employee name is this Mohammed. You can change the name, edit it. Don't use the same name so that it will not get hooked up everywhere, and ensure that you edit everything. Carefully read all this information here, edit it, and then you can download and then upload it on your profile. So once you have been able to do that, ensure that you have been able to upload it. First, your employee name, then you choose the country in which you are employed, and you also put in your website. For those of you who don't have a website, I don't know what to tell you again. You need a website. Try as much as possible to create a website, and then you will put in your real website here or your personal website here, or if you have your employee name or employee website, you can as well put it here as well. Then your occupation, you're a freelancer. Remember when we were creating, you selected that you're a freelancer, and then you are asking, they will be asking you your monthly salary. Just try as much as possible to put something. I just put $50 to $500, and then you upload your employee letter which you have created on Canva, and then you put in your LinkedIn profile account, your LinkedIn profile username. Just put it here with the LinkedIn URL link of your LinkedIn. Just put it here, and then you click on save. And once you click on save, it will be processed, and you will see that it will be reviewed, and it will be awaiting for your account to be verified. Now you will see this area saying that you should verify your identity. You say not done. All you just need to do is to do that. Now it will require that you put in your government ID card and take a selfie in order for your account to be verified. So you get started. Now which ID will I be using? I'll be using my international passport here. Remember, I have submitted all the information I have. Now my international passport is what I'll be using right now, and that is loading up, and it's asking me to verify my account. Now all I have to do is to use my phone right now in order for me to get started with all of these things. As you can see here, it says let's get you verified. Prepare a valid document. You're using a phone. Now I'll use my phone to do all of these things, as you can see here, and I'll get back to you guys right now. So guys, as you can see now, I have been able to verify my identity and is awaiting review. So all I have to do right now is to wait as my account to be reviewed. Once all the information has been reviewed and is successful, then your dashboard will appear like this. This is an old account already, and I have approved all my information, and I did all I have showed you, prove my employment details, and all of these things were approved. And as you can see here, so if you follow the step I showed you, going to Canva to create all of these things, you see that your account will successfully created and all of that. So do well to wait. A review will be done, and once the review has been done, your account will be fully verified. So if you got value from this video, please do me a favor by subscribing, turning on the notifications so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And if you have any issue or complaint, leave your question in the comment section. I will attend to it. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe. Peace.